Guess what I'm seeing right now? I know. I'm just like too much of excitement, and I mean, this is the first time I'm seeing this. I know you be thinking, what is it? It is. Okay, Raisin, calm down. Too much of excitement. Let me tell you what it is. It's a 3D printer. I know it's like, oh god, in action. I've never seen it. I know it's like yeah, what? It's just a 3D printer, but I've not seen it. So yeah, I'm excited. But it's super slow, but it's crazy what it can create at super low cost. So it's awesome.